everybody. Welcome to Homestead House Science Experiments. I'm Olivia, and today we are going to be making a star cooker! So if you would like, you can make s'mores, but we are going to make kind of like, I don't know, a chocolate covered ice cream cone kind of like a chocolate covered wafer cookie. So what you'll need is chocolate chips, ice cream cone, sugar and no sugar, a black piece of paper, some tape, and some aluminum foil, and some clear wrap, or plastic wrap, same thing. Now, if your box already has a lid, then you will prop it up like this with the tape. But if your box does not have lid, cut a hole in it and then tape the lid here. So first step is we take the box. So line this part of the box and the bottom part with aluminum foil. Now you're going to be using the scissors, so ask a grown-up to help you. Okay, so now that we have got our aluminum foil in here, we will tape our little piece of black paper right here. And that's where we will be putting our cone. There, black paper's in there. Now, we will put our chocolate in here. Then we put that here. Now we are going to cover the ice cream cone part with this cleaning wrap. Okay, let's take it outside. Okay, now we've put in the sun. We'll check on it in a little while and see what we've got. It's been 30 minutes and it's pretty well melted. So we'll come back and check it in about 10 minutes and see what we've got. It's been 10 minutes, so we're checking on it. Yep, it looks like it's ready to come in. Oh, that's hot. We transferred the heat energy into making my delicious chocolate from the sun. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to watch more of our videos.